Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to download original D3D compiler _47.dll file and fix. The program can't start because D3D compiler 47.dll is missing from your computer. Error in Windows 7. Important note: you shouldn't download standalone D3D compiler 47.dll file from various DLL download websites, it will not fix the error. The correct method to fix the error is to follow these steps. First, open Microsoft Update Catalog using the link in the description. For Windows 7 64-bit, select the update for Windows 7 for x64-based systems. For the 32-bit system, select Update for Windows 7, and click the Download button. Download the offline update installer file and run it. If, for some reason, it does not work, make sure that you have the Windows Update service is running. When the installation is complete, restart your computer. The program can't start because D3D compiler 47.dll is missing from your computer. Error is likely to be fixed after the above steps. Good luck!